Great herbal day. This is Dr. HerbSistah, and I am coming to you because last week I got some sister locks, and the sister who did them, Kat, she stood there for 10 hours locking my hair, and it is so nice, and I'm so happy about it. And the thing is that when she finished, she was shaking her arm out like this and doing her shoulder and all of that, which, to my mind was like, what can I do to help her, with some herbs? And she was telling me about how her legs tingle and sometimes her legs are numb and that type of thing. And I was like, oh no, and I grew up in a household where my mom did hair also. And I got two sister-in-laws who do hair and barbers and all of that in my family. So I understand that whole thing with the tendonitis in the wrist and all of the stiffness and pain in the shoulders and, all of that. And so when I woke up, I got my hair done, twisted and locked on Monday. When I woke up on Tuesday morning, I had a whole formula coming out of me as I was getting out of the bed. And I wrote it down quickly and I flushed it out over the week, ordered the different herbals and supplements and everything to go with it. And it is here. And I'm telling you guys about it first. That's why I'm doing this live stream, because I don't do this too much. But the reason why is because when you are in a service industry like that, how your body works is how your money runs. If your body is sore and tense and everything, and you got a ice pack and figure out what to do, and you got to go to the doctor, and their solution is usually surgery and then put a band, on those wrist braces on it, which you still don't operate the same, and nobody wants to be, getting surgery and hoping that they can still have use of their major moneymaker, their hands. So I came up with this thing, and it's called Raggedy Nerves Restoration, Relief, Detox, and Energize. And what this is designed to do, if you have stiff wrists and shoulders and joints, even if your knees and legs, because she told me that her legs and stuff get numb, and this is about circulation. And so this formula with the tingling in your arms and your hands, your shoulders and your legs, is going to help and increase your circulation. That is going to move more blood through these organs or through these arteries, and it's going to reduce the inflammation and the the tension in your body, in your arms, etc. So I am going to be shipping this out starting today. I went up to my barber and told him about it, and he bought it right away. I mean, people in the industry who are barbers and beauticians and braiders and locticians and all, immediately when I started talking about the circulation and the stiffness and the shoulder pains and everything, they like, where is it? Where is it? Is it liquid or is it, capsules? And, I made it into capsules because I recognize, people who are doing that kind of work, they stand in there for 10 hours. They're not trying to go to the bathroom and keep up with how many times they got to take it. With these veggie caps, they're going to take 2 or 3 in the morning, depending on where they are in the action of problems in their joints. So if you have a lot of pain, you're going to start off with more. If you just feel a little stiffness every once in a while, you would probably start off with 2 or 3, but it's definitely going to make a difference because it's going to help the pain, relieve the pain, restore your nerves, that circulation and all of that. And it's going to energize your body. So as you stand in there, doing the braids or doing the curls or doing the locks for these hours upon hours. Because, I mean, you got to think about it. You sitting in the chair and you want to know how much longer it's going to be. And they're standing behind you and working on your hair. And they are troopers as far as the discipline it takes to do that kind of work and to follow through and to make it look so gorgeous, even from the back to the front. I mean, it all looks gorgeous. They don't get tired and start doing it halfway. It looks all the same. And so I thought, you know what, I need to do something to help them, because I'm very appreciative of how my hair looked. And I know most people are, and you got to go back regularly. And this is their living. This is how they pay their bills and take care of their families. And if you are not feeling like standing up because your legs ache or they tingle or your knees are hurting or your ankles are hurting, then you're not going to be as enthusiastic about doing what you have decided, what your craft. This is a craft. Everybody can't do it. Everybody can't do it. Just like, I recognize that I have a connection to the spirit that gives me these formulas, that gives me these dreams, that gives me these things to help people. And I don't take it for granted. When I get something coming down like that, I'm writing it down and I know what it's for, because I've been, asking and, open for the information. And so I want to make it, the Raggedy Nerves, Restoration, Relief, Detox, and Energize. I want to make it available to as many people as possible. So I came on here because I went to my barber and told him, and I told a few other people in my little town. But this is something where as soon as I started talking, they was like, how much is it? Where is it? Because they know how they feel it. They know how they feel at the end of the day. They know how their legs ache. They know how their shoulder, they trying to, work it out. This is going to take care of all of that. And it has other benefits, because I'm recognizing she was drinking a protein shake that whole day. I was eating protein bars and drinking alkaline water. So, she said, you want to order something out? No, I don't eat from every place. That's just me. I don't eat from every place, So we were doing our protein, Mida bars, her to shake. But a lot of people do eat from a lot of different places. And the food is usually not the highest quality food. So they got high cholesterol, they got high blood pressure, they got maybe even blood sugar issues. This is also going to work on that, because I know where you are, who you are, and what you're doing. So I tried to make the formula as full as possible so that it will be able to handle all of the different things in that life. That is a particular life. And, it's going to help computer programmers. It's going to help mechanics. You got to keep trying to do things with your wrist. And it's going to help anybody that has a regular action that they have to do all day with their hands and arms. Anybody, if you're a cashier, it's going to help you. If you're an accountant, it's going to help you, because you're doing the same actions over and over and over, and let me tell you, it's going to increase your energy, because I recognize you standing there 10 hours, she's drinking a protein shake, which is increasing her energy. But if you start eating chips, which, I know chips and bread and all that stuff, it's going to drag you down. You're not going to feel that great. You're going to be tired, So it's this Raggedy Nerves, Restoration, Relief, Detox, and Energize is going to help that energize your body. It's going to help your digestion, because again, you're standing there all day eating different things, and now you don't want to burp and do all the gassy stuff over your client's head. But when you're eating all these different foods, they could do that to you, because you don't have enough digestive enzymes in your system and enough fatty acids, all of these various things. Your body is lacking things. And when you put in these various foods, your body shows what is lacking by the way it reacts to the food. If you're getting gas and all that, not enough digestive enzymes, not enough, essential fatty acids. So it's also going to help improve your blood sugar, your blood pressure, your bad cholesterol. And sometimes people ask me, what is it in this formula that's doing that? And I have this little board that I made just to, be able for you to understand when I'm going around and showing it to people. But I can say to you the ingredients on this formula: ginger, circulation; hibiscus, cooling the system, cooling the joints, cooling the body; beetroot, circulation; maca, so many things. Cat's claw and devil's claw is joints, joint problems, joint flexibility, all of that. Glucosamine, same thing. It is a amino acid that is helping to provide and boost the joints. Collagen comes from different sources, mainly animal. That is like, guess what? I can give you this example. Remember when the grandmothers used to give the babies the chicken bones and they would eat that gristle on the end? That is collagen. That gristle is collagen. And that they gave it to the babies for the collagen because it helps their bones. It helps the way that they're able to walk, strengthens their body and their bones, their teeth that are not even in yet a lot of times when they're giving them to it. MSM is sulfur. Sulfur is very good for the body with problems with the joints and that type of thing. Bacopa, energizer. B vitamins. B vitamins are a co-processor for every function that your body provides. B vitamins is involved in it. So that's why I always recommend, if you don't take nothing else, you need to take B vitamins, B100. But that's why I put it in this formula. So if you take this formula, you have what you need. CLA, that's conjugated linoleic acid. That's like taking a good fat. And I'm always talking about essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids help with your brain function. It helps with balancing your hormones. It helps with lubricating your joints, your bowels, your skin. It does all that. And then this other one, I'm going to just call it short, choline, but it's got a long name, acetylcholine, and that is good for your brain function and for energy. So this formula that I came up with, the Raggedy Nerves Restoration, Relief, Detox, and Energize, is all about making sure that your body has what it needs to function in a repetitive way with your joints, wrists, circulation. And the good thing, and I just went on and added these things since I recognized where it was going, where the formula was going, is that this is also going to help people to lose weight. How is that? Because essential fatty acids help to burn fat, so it'll help you to have more lean muscle, which is burning fat. For the men, it's going to help to boost their testosterone. And that's a big thing these days. Men want to boost their testosterone. I told you it's going to increase your energy, your digestion. If you're having problems with nausea because of stuff that you're eating, it's going to relieve that. And it's going to relieve bad cholesterol. So I'm Dr. HerbSistah. And if I didn't, introduce myself right at the beginning, is because, this is going to a lot of people that already know me. And I'm at drherbsistah.com, drherbsistah.com. I have it on here. And I would like you could order by text. You see that? That's my number. And you can order by text. And then I will ship it to you no matter where you are in the country. And I will also, send you a startup section of recipes so you can eat better, because, everything that we do is dependent on how we eating, how we're moving. And, of course, this is going to work better if you get in some exercise, but you're standing there for 10 hours a day. If nothing else, you can do this. you know. Step 1 foot, step back, step 1 foot, step back, you know, or get one of those pads underneath your feet to help to vibrate your body, and do that every couple hours to increase your circulation, to help this formula, the Raggedy Nerves Restoration Relief Detox, to help the formula work better. And you know, that's what I do, is I am helping people to understand how to use herbs and natural living so that they can live a better life, you know. And this is one of those things that came up in my spirit, because I'm always looking and asking, you know, for formulas and things that can help for us all to live a better life. So if you're interested in getting this formula, you can text me 404-244-5565. And texting is the best, because then I'll know exactly where we at, what we're doing. And if I'm doing something else, I will stop what I'm doing when I hear the text and just check it and see what's going on. But I can't answer every phone call, because that is a lot, you know, and it will keep me from being able to do anything. So you want to get this Raggedy Nerves Restoration Relief Detox and Energize formula, you can text me and I will get it out to you. And you can start saving your body and saving your business, because when you save your body, that means you get to work longer, more pleasant feelings about your work, and you can do it no matter what. So I appreciate you taking this moment. I know everybody's got a lot going on this weekend. Taking this moment to listen to something that can either help you or someone in your family, and make sure you do tell them, because, you know, there are people getting information in all different types of ways. And we want to make sure that this information is something that they are able to benefit from, because, you know, the Creator gives me the womb detox, that womb detox formula that's helping all the women eliminate fibroids. That came to me the same way, you know. The sarsaparilla tonic that, you know, is a full body detox, that came to me the same way. You know, you sleep, you wake up, and all of these herbs is coming into boom, 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 boom. I mean, so I know the power of spirit giving me herbal formulas and what happens with those formulas. So text me or go to drherbsistah.com. I think I did put it up there, and you can order it. But if you text me, I'll get it out to you. So have a great herbal day. I appreciate you, and tell your friends. And I hope this is available for you for some time, so that people can take advantage of it. Because this, you know, this is not an age-related ailment. This is anybody who is doing this all the time, you know, not age-related. So you could be 25 and you got to protect it and keep it from coming on. And if you already feeling some creakiness and stiffness, and, you know, then you can eliminate it by feeding your body what it needs, because your body is telling you something when you have stiffness and pains and all that. It's telling you, I need help. And this is the help. Okay. So I'm going to talk to y'all soon, because I think I'm going to talk about this every week or so that people can be getting this information. And we're going to have a great herbal day, right? Okay, then. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great herbal day.